Hi friends, look who this is! It's a cat. It's a domestic animal. Cats often live on a farm and catch mice. And this is a dog. It guards all the other animals on a farm. Here you go, doggy. A cute little bunny also can live at home with you, but this bunny lives on a farm, right next to a pile of hay. Do you know who this is, friends? A rooster. This pretty bird is a daddy of a chick. This is a cow. They live on a farm, eat lots of grass, and then give oh-so-tasty milk. This little animal says ribbit, ribbit. It's a frog, and it prefers to live by the water. Here's a horse. What a gracious animal. It also has a spot in our puzzle. Who says quack, quack? It's a duck. Well done, friends. These are all the farm animals.